What's next? Popping lines?
Popping line. Waiting on Paul to come back
Still got to get the boots off.
Well, yeah, he can do that while we're getting the lines going.
Yep, pop some lines.
As soon as he comes back up, we'll pop with him. That is mine.
Bill said if you don't dump his coffee, he won't dump your Red Bull.
It's gone. This line.
Lines, you see that? Very important. We've gone down through here. And yep. Yes, sir. Brand new wiring. Brand spanking new wiring. But you see where it is, though. I don't. Right on the bottom of that. I don't. So it's not old wiring. It's all brand new, and it's all in between the rafters, which is a good sign. Well insulated. We always cut a hole, very intentional, to check on these wires and see where they're running and how they're running. We want to make sure everything is below, obviously. And I've seen in some of my videos, you'll see where they put these on top. So this one looks really nice. Yeah. I'm always happy when I see that. This is a strap that goes over the whole entire mobile home, so it's up here. That's good. So it's strapped to the frame. That's a good sign. And there's no rust or any water intrusion there at all, ever. So that's another thing that I look for is that it does have strapping, and that strap goes all the way across this roof. We'll mark that out as a strap. Man, Bert taking up the all caulked up, smeared up pipes. And we like to just take a flat bar and just try to peel that stuff off. That's all you can really do is just peel it and peel it. To be honest with you, if you look at that metal and you think about it, there's tar stuck to that, and the metal is clean as it can be. So did it ever stick? Really never did it, Bert?
Not really.
I mean, for that metal to be so clean, the tar never really stuck to it. So
I gotta get my drill.
okay, buddy, that's the drill. Working on it. So yeah, so you just peel up this stuff all around it, clean it off. It just gets hard, breaks, cracks. You can see it. You can see all the crappiness about it, and you can see that it never really stuck to the metal. It sat on top of it. If it was stuck, that metal would be all tar, and it's not. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I got one right here too.
Yeah. A couple different routers running down through here. You'll run into different places where there are extras. Sometimes when they're not where they should be, you gotta find them. But this is important to mark them things off. It's also important to stand on one of these when you're up here until you get plywood on it. So if you stand right here on that seam and that seam breaks, your foot could literally fall through the roof. So we don't want that to happen.
Right there? Yep.
Strap. Yep. Hey, skip that one. Yeah. Yeah, mark it so you don't even hit it anymore. Rather you didn't. Yep. That's plenty close. Don't need it. No. Oh, hate that one happened. Getting short, Paul. Did you cut it? No, I don't like that at all. This is what peeling cool seal Silver seal, I really don't care what kind it is. See that? If you look under that, you see perfect silver galvanized like type roofing. Cheapest galvanized you can imagine. You can, anytime you see galvanized that looks like that, you know it's the cheapest kind. But as you can see, there's never anything been stuck to that cool seal, to that metal. It just kind of sat there. And then as time goes by, it cracks and peels and breaks. Next thing you know, you have that kind of stuff going on. Just throw it off the roof.
You got a couple of discussions hanging out.
That's looking good, bro. It's looking good. It's looking good, Paul. I like that. You like it? That metal. Sweetness. The plywood is installed, everybody. Done. OSB. Sorry. Sorry for you guys that say, no plywood. OSB. $53 a freaking sheet. It's like the new diamond. If I could wear a piece of 4x8 sheet rock on my wife's finger, call that her diamond.
Put it up just like that.
That's beautiful, man. Imagine looking at that every day. First thing, wake up in the morning, living right there. Look at that house behind you. Looking every day at the waterfall. That one, that one. That makes me happy. That's something that makes me happy. No, wake up and hear that all night long. Look at that.